Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Convoy flashlight. It's S21B with Nichia High CRI LED 519A. Here are some photos how it looks, and as always I'll post link to video description where you can find this flashlight. Today we have another Convoy EDC flashlight. It's S21B and it uses high CRI Nichia LED 519A. Color temperature 4500 kelvins. It's similar in design with another flashlight I previously reviewed from Convoy S21A, and you can find the review here in the corner. So main differences are that this does not have bezel and uses orange peel reflector, while S21B has smooth reflector and the bezel. Size is quite similar, and design of S21B reminds S11, just smaller in size. So let's take a close look at S21B. Build quality, as most Convoys, very good, and it uses 21700 battery. Here we have the spring, and I used moly-cell battery in all my tests. This side is not anodized, with the spring near the driver. Threads are smooth. Both sides has seal rings to protect flashlight from dust and water. So here's how it looks. Now the UI. It uses biscotti firmware with 12 groups, same as my S21A. And after you choose the group, you just press the button to turn it on and tap the button to switch modes. Press again to turn off. Now let's see the difference between beams with S21A. So this is more purple, while this one is more to the yellowish side. So, short look at the flashlight. Now let's see how it does at night. I hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots. Now let's take a look at the graphs. We see that this flashlight, as most convoys, has brightness stabilization on all modes. Just on turbo it steps down because of the temperature, and turbo holds for approximately 3 minutes. As always, I'll post link to video description where you can find those graphs. I hope you enjoyed watching my review. So some final words about this flashlight. It uses high CRI Nichia LED. It uses 21700 battery, so battery life is very good on this. Also, it has stabilization of brightness on all modes. What I don't like that it gets hot quite quick on turbo, so be careful because it can reach 70 degrees Celsius. Overall, I think this is very nice EDC flashlight, and it's similar to S21A, just design is different, everything else is quite the same. So let me know in the comments which design you prefer. For me it's S21B. And that's it about the flashlight. And I want to thank all the subscribers for following me, and I'll try to do my best to give you more reviews. And if you want some specific tests, let me know in the comments. I'll try to do my best to bring them to my reviews. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye guys.